2024 Moto Guzzi V7 Special, the timeless classic with a modern edge. The Moto Guzzi V7 Special is a classic motorcycle that has been around for over 50 years. It is known for its simple design, reliable performance, and timeless style. The 2024 model is no exception, and it offers a number of updates that make it even more appealing to today's riders. The 2024 Moto Guzzi V7 Special features a new engine that is more powerful and fuel-efficient than the previous model. It also has a new chassis that is lighter and stiffer, which makes it more agile and responsive. The suspension has also been upgraded, and it now provides a more comfortable ride. Despite its modern updates, the 2024 Moto Guzzi V7 Special still retains the classic look that has made it so popular for so many years. It has a sleek, minimalist design with chrome accents and a round headlight that is reminiscent of classic motorcycles from the past. The 2024 Moto Guzzi V7 Special is priced at €9,399, which makes it a great value for the money. It is a versatile motorcycle that can be used for a variety of purposes, including commuting, touring, and even off-road riding. 2024 Moto Guzzi V7 Special specifications: engine, 853 cubic centimeters, 90-degree V-twin, power, 65 HP at 6,800 RPM, torque, 73 Nm at 5,000 RPM, gearbox, 6-speed, seat height, 880 mm, fuel consumption, 4.9 L/100 km. CO2 emissions, 119 g/km, weight, 203 kilograms, tank capacity, 21 liters, top speed 125 plus mph, price €9,399. The 2024 Moto Guzzi V7 Special features new 853 cubic centimeters engine with improved performance and fuel efficiency, new chassis for better agility and responsiveness, upgraded suspension for a more comfortable ride, modern technology, including advanced rider aids, a responsive touchscreen display, and LED lighting. Classic design that has made it so popular for so many years, chrome accents and a round headlight that is reminiscent of classic motorcycles from the past. Versatile motorcycle that can be used for a variety of purposes, including commuting, touring, and even off-road riding. The 2024 Moto Guzzi V7 Special is a great choice for riders of all ages and experience levels. It is a great option for anyone who is looking for a classic motorcycle with a modern edge. The 2024 Moto Guzzi V7 Special is expected to be available in dealerships in early 2024. The 2024 Moto Guzzi V7 Special is a motorcycle that appeals to riders of all ages and experience levels. It is a great choice for anyone who is looking for a classic motorcycle with a modern edge.